Okay, on to the W650. What am I doing with it? Well, as you know, I am going to be customizing it. I got a shelf and I am collecting parts. I've even got a place on the shelf for bits I'm taking off it. Really aren't going to get going till about February on it as I accrue the parts that I need. But most exciting of all for the W, before I customize it, is this part here, or these parts here. From Fastec in England. They're from Suffolk. They're actually Long Melford, Newmarket, that sort of area, which is where my granddad used to live. So I have a personal connection to them. These are the most exciting. These are the ones I've been waiting for. They are fabricated parts to a certain specification. And this is from Danny at Fastec. I was put in contact with him from Rick Hanna at DDM, Dirty Dick's Motos. And these are identical, I hope, to the triple trees that Rick Hanna got put on his W650 Customs. So I'm hoping that's what they are. I haven't opened them yet. I'm really excited. The question is, has Danny at Fastec remembered to put a receptacle for the Motogadget speedo that I bought? $800 for the speedo. And these are far more expensive than that. They're custom made out of billet aluminum. So let's see. So getting closer now, box is open. Oh yeah, that's got some heft to it, but not too much because it's aluminum. Oh my goodness, I think I see the answer to my Motogadget speedo dilemma. Is it in there? We'll have a look. I know, me again. I'm so excited. I'm like a boy under the Christmas tree, age 10, you know. What is it? I have been, to be honest, I have been so afraid to open these. These have been here for a week and I haven't had the guts to open them because I know that if these aren't done to the spec I want, I can't do it again. I've got a certain budget for this bike and these cost multi-thousands of dollars to get done, multi-thousands of dollars. And I would blow my budget through. So I either use these or I don't use them. And I can't use them if they don't fit. And I can't use them if they don't have my specs for the Motogadget. So would I stay original? I don't know. So I've kind of been reticent about, fearful about opening these to see whether they're going to be what I need. So anyway, here goes. I started and I put it down. It's like, nope, got to get going. So here we go. Look, here's the lowers. Oh my goodness, they are absolutely beautiful. Drilled and machined, solid hunk of metal, beautiful. God. So that's the lowers. That's the triple tree lowers. Super nicely packed. Wow, these guys at Fastec. I mean, this stuff's like some sort of chiffon. It's almost, well, you know. Okay, on to the next one. Let's get the packing out of the way here. Super nicely packed. You can see we've got this foam here. All right, on to the next one. Oh, yeah, look at them. Look at that. There's the top triples. The insert there for the Motogadget. It's all polished. It's absolutely beautiful. Look at that. It's going to sit just like that on the front. Well, just to, you know, basically, here we go. It's going to be like that. And yeah, look at that. Seems to fit exactly as far as I can see. I can line the holes up nicely. Yeah, I'm so looking forward to getting those on there. Oh my goodness me. Beautiful. Look at that. So all milled specially for me. You know, is it and you know, I got to tell you right now, it was so close as to whether I could afford these that I basically had them insured, underinsured. They weren't insured at all when they came over here. If they got lost, I was going to lose them. Yeah, so I'm super pleased, absolutely hyped that I've got these. And this really makes it for me, especially getting that Motogadget's clock right in the front here. It's going to be a piece of art. Let's see if I can hook that up for us and see what that looks like. So there's the Motogadget's clock right there. I'll try to get the reflection off it for you. And he's even got the 3 screw holes in exactly the right place for the back of the clock, so that it can mount in there properly. Beautiful job by Danny, and of course by Rick, who's the one who designed this for his W's. So I'll put it in, and I just put it in a minute ago, and it makes the most beautiful, sumptuous, perfect fit clunk that you've ever heard without any movement. So here it is. Look at that, and you know, I can try to move this, and it doesn't move at all. Not a movement in there at all. It just sits in there so beautifully. Oh, that's going to be a piece of art, isn't it? Absolutely. Really, really pleased with that. Haven't even started the bike yet, but if I needed motivation to get going, here it is. Staring at that on the front of my custom W is going to be a pleasure, an absolute pleasure. Thank you, Danny. Thank you, Fastec. And thank you, Rick Hanna. All right, on. I'll see you all in the next one. And off to order the Andriani's now, the front suspension. Got some stickers as well. Oh, always good. I put the stickers, by the way, most of the things that I do, I put stickers on my drill press here. So I'm collecting, it's one of my favorites. Don't forget, if you want a leather jacket, go through my link. Isle of Man, Custom Tech did some great work for me. Yeah, Power Sports. That's my old Z900 original Kawasaki badge off the tank. I replaced them with the retro ones. Oh, all these people have done business with, and yeah. Anyway, back to the stickers. What am I doing? I'm off topic again. I'm so excited. All right.
Once again, thanks for watching, everyone. If this is the first time you've watched, please consider subscribing. I do product reviews, motorcycle reviews, off-road and on-road vlogs, as well as tours. Don't forget to follow me on social media, that's Instagram, Facebook and Twitter, and to like, and especially, I'm begging you here folks, subscribe. This is the Blue Marble Rider, out.